Hey guys, it's Liz from Blue and Hazel, and today I'm going to show you how to do a rubber band bracelet craft that looks something like this. This has been hours and hours and hours of fun in our home, and tons of bracelets have been made and shared. We especially like using these whenever we need something to keep our hands busy, such as like van trips, or if we have book read alouds that we're doing and they just need something to do. My 7-year-old started this probably around age 6. We've bought a few kits. They usually look something like this. I'll go ahead and link one in my description for you on Amazon so you can check it out. One thing you want to make sure that it comes with, which pretty much all kits I've seen do, are little closure S clips or C clips. Both will work just fine. And I'll show you what those look like. This is just a really fun activity to use up time when you need something to do with your hands. To get started, we're going to put the bottom rubber band over your finger like this, and you're going to have to make a figure 8 just like that. Let me do it one more time. So you have the rubber band, put your finger through it, and then flip it to make a figure 8 just like that. That's how you're going to start off your rubber bands. Now get the other color and go ahead and just place it on your hand right above, just like that. You don't flip it. And then you take the bottom and you go up and over, and you let go. No need to hold on. And then I always kind of adjust the one that's left to be down on my fingers a little farther because it seems to roll up to the top like that. And then we'll alternate colors, put it over the top. And then we go up and over, and pull it down. Now put the next one on. Then we're going to pull the bottom up and over, and let go. So can you see that chain that's forming there? And we're going to do this for as long as you want the bracelet to go. Now, if you don't pull them down far enough on your finger, you run the risk of having the whole bracelet pop off your fingers. And that happens sometimes. It's okay, you're not ruined. You just probably will lose a loop or two, and then you can reposition it back on your hand after that. Okay, so say that you lose your spot and it flips off your fingers and you want to keep going and making it longer. Simply just find the last rubber band and put your fingers back in through the holes. So this would go up through there. This finger would go up through there, just like that, okay? And then you would continue looping. When you're ready to go ahead and close your bracelet off, what you're going to do is take off one of these fingers and put it onto the other one so it's connected like that. Then you'll go ahead and take your C clip or your S clip and loop it onto the end just like that. Okay, and then this side down here, it's not going anywhere because we did that fancy little twist. And you're going to go ahead and add that to the clip as well. Try it on for size. There you go. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more homeschool videos as well as handicraft tutorials.